Veera Raghavan.
Yes friends, you read it right and you saw it right. Today we'll be learning how to make the beast tags. Well, I'm basically a Vijay fan, so I thought of doing this one video friends. And all you need to make this particular axe is just color paper and glue stick. Without any further ado, let's get started. So here's a quick tip friends, whenever you're rolling paper, always start from the diagonal side. That's how you can make the paper more thinner while rolling at the start, and slowly when you continue rolling it will become thicker just as the perfect size you imagine. It's gluing time. So now our axe is ready. It's time to add the design, friends. And yes friends, it's all done. Here stands our bee stacks. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment on what to do next friends. It supports me really a lot. And yes, that's all for today. Stay tuned. It's Rupak signing off. Think unlimited.